Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I did a pink look, and if you've been watching me for a while now, you know pink is not my favorite color. So for me to use this means a lot. I went very simple with the eyes. It's nothing crazy, nothing really creative. I just wanted to try out the new palette, which I want to try this palette out. The Lizzie McGuire and the ColouePop one, and I gave it a try. I kind of wanted to use the green colors, but I wasn't sure. So maybe I'm gonna film another video using this because I really want to go into those green colors. So yeah, if you guys want to know how I achieved this look and how I like the items, and you want to know about these lips and how I got them, then just keep on watching. So I've been trying something different with my eyebrows. I used the NYX brow tint pen in the color caramel, and then I go in with my Wet n Wild ultimate brow kit in ash brown. The eyeshadow palette I will be using today is the Lizzie McGuire What Dreams Are Made Of by ColouePop. And I used to watch the show when I was younger, so I was so excited to try this out. I already tried out one of their blushes. I bought 2 blushes from them. First color I'm going to use is Done and Done, and I'm going to apply that on my crease. Now I'm going to go with the color Ugh, the pink one, and I'm gonna try to blend this out. Now I'm gonna go in with the color Outfit Remember. That's gonna be it for the eyes right now. I am gonna go in with the purple underneath my on my waterline. Favorite eyeliner right now is the Araceli Ojos Perfectos in the color Night. I'm gonna use the Yoatzi collection with Beauty Creations, and I'm gonna use a Mexican Barbie and clean it up after. I'm gonna go into my face now. Oh, by the way, I changed the lashes. I was gonna use the BBL ones. I didn't use that one no more. I used the Yoatzi ones because they're too dramatic for me. These are a little dramatic, but I don't know. I think I could work with them. For primer, I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Soft Silk Pro Filter Primer. Before I go in with my foundation, I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty matte skin sticks, and I'm just gonna cream contour under my foundation. And I'm gonna go in my Fenty Beauty. This is a Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation in the shade 250. Weird is because I have really dark under eyes. So I'm gonna go in with my concealer. This is the Color FX concealer in the color G plus medium 2. That done, I'm gonna go in with my powder, and as you guys know, my favorite powder as of now recently has been the Laura Mercier. Well, not recently, maybe like a year. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe palette. This is the 8 L. This is both a bronzer and highlighting palette, which looks like this. I'm gonna go in with the color Donut. I'm gonna mix these two colors on the bottom together, just like that. Tap it off and focus this right here. So for the blush, I have, like I said, the You Are Magnifico pink blush. This is really glittery, so if you don't like glittery, this might not be for you. Whoa. It's a pigmented. Okay, now that we have that done, I'm gonna let it sit and I'm gonna go in with the eyes. I'm gonna go in with the color Digital Bean from the palette that we were using, the eyeshadow palette. And I'm just gonna blend this underneath my eye just to give it a little bit more color. So for highlighter, I have like 3 different highlighters. I have the Fenty Beauty in Metal Moon. I have the Ofra and Nikki Tutorials collaboration in Glazed Donut, and I have this Kinder Glow highlighter palette. This, I don't know, I think I'm gonna go in with Ofra. So I'm gonna go in with my Morphe R31 brush. Apply first on my nose. So while that's setting, I'm gonna do my hair, and if you guys want a more in-depth video about my hair, what products I actually use, I do have a video on my IG, reels about my hair and how I straighten it and what I use to straighten it. So if you guys want to know like the products, if you guys want me to, you know, more in-depth a little bit, and then you can check that out, because right now I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna fast forward it, and yeah. I usually apply this, which is a Sexy Mother Pucker Extreme Plump. I'm gonna go in with the Huda Beauty Lip Contour in Trophy White. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the end. I hope you guys liked it. I had fun creating this look just because of the palette. I know I didn't do anything crazy on the eyes, but it's pink and purple, so and I like the lips. I really like how the lips came out. I don't know how I feel about the foundation anymore because I used to love it, but now I noticed that it creases a lot and it looks patchy in some places. I'm pretty sure right now on camera it looks really nice, but I'll zoom you guys in to show you. Okay, so like, I don't know, you could tell here, or underneath my eye, well that's the concealer, but underneath my eye, like my nose. Usually foundations don't do this to me, so I'm pretty surprised about this one. I used to love it a lot. I used it like 10 times and I really liked it. I know it wasn't my shade. I still don't think it's my shade, but I used to like it a lot. I really love the highlighter. Like, I haven't used it, so I'm happy that I used it now. Well, that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. I might have a fun video for this. Don't forget to check out my Instagram. I do post a lot of videos on that, a lot of reels and a lot of pictures and a lot of behind the scenes. So yeah, but I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.